Welcome to How to Make a Smoothie by Hensley's class in quarantine. This video is brought to you by Poison Dart Frog. Okay. First, you cut the ginger. Okay, the ginger's all cut. Now, this is probably enough for 2 smoothies. So we're gonna cut this in half. And we're only gonna use half of it. And then, what we're gonna do is cut the apple. And we're only gonna use half of this too. And what kind of apples do we use?
Can I push it?
Oh, have you not pushed it yet? No. No, you pushed it. It's good. It's going. What kind of apples do we use? Don't push it again.
Green apples.
Good. First, we put spinach in there. Ready? Is this on camera? How much spinach? How much spinach, Jonah?
3.
3? Okay. Like that amount is good, probably?
Not yet. It's smaller.
Oh, well, since we the market only had kale last time, we're gonna put a little tiny bit of kale in there too.
Okay.
Okay. Is this on camera too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Will it taste weird?
No, it won't taste weird unless we put a lot of kale in. We don't want to put a lot in. Just a little bit. Next, what's next?
We need.
Make sure it's up here.
We need ginger.
Apple, so that's half of the apple. Ginger.
Ginger.
And then what do we need after that?
We need apple.
We already did that.
We need orange.
Mango.
Mango.
A piece of mango? Okay, wait. First, let's pour some. Nope. There you go. Open the bag a little more. There. Okay, now pour. Oh no, it's getting hot. I'll help you. Good. Good. Pour. Okay, that's enough. Oh wait, hold on. It's not enough. Hold on. Okay, wait. Let's do. Okay. There. Okay, grab one piece. Sure. Don't keep picking it. There. Good. Okay. Alright, so we have about this much mango. Okay, now what goes in after that? Say it louder.
Orange juice. Orange juice. Doesn't matter if it has pulp in it, huh, Jonah? Okay, here we go.
And we don't put that much orange juice in. If you want it sweeter, you put more orange juice in.
Yeah, I know, sweeter.
Like, I don't even look. It's probably about there. Okay. Next, we put coconut water in. Coconut water also has potassium and, I think potassium. Yeah, potassium and vitamin C. Oh, barely any vitamin C. Okay, hold on, Jonah. Hold on. Wait, please. Okay, look, here. Okay, show the camera. Nice. All right. Coconut water. How much coconut water we put in? We put in till there. Yeah, till there. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna do the blender. Put the lid on tight and turn it on. Oh. Turn this part on, and then if it gets stuck like that, then you gotta pick it up and shake it. All right. Now go. Turn it on. Okay, turn the knob. Okay, keep going. Oh yeah, good. Turn it down. Turn it down so it gets so big. Faster. No, not right now. Not right now. Come on. Okay. Okay, leave it up high for a while now. Alright, we're good. Down, up. Okay, now it's time to get the cups.
No,
Hold on. Who's each cup for?
Sai, me, Mom, and Dad.
Yeah, good. All right, here we go.
I mean me.
Open the lid and ready?
Ouch.
Watch your head. And then pour in the smoothie for Sai. Okay. Pour in the smoothie for Jonah. No, it won't fill up this cup. Okay, who needs a little more? Okay. Yep. Okay. Give a little more to brother. Who doesn't get a smoothie right now? Why not? You're right.
Okay. Very careful.
Hi, Mom. Hey, Mom.
You got it.
Hey, Mom.
Mom.
Oh, hey, thank you. Oh, this looks so yummy.
Here you go, Sai.
Oh, let's cheers, Sai. Do you want to cheers?
Look, Mommy, I want a piece of mango.
Cheers,
Mom,
cheers,
and it's
cheers.
melting.
Can you cheers with me? Oh, yours is so good. Cheers.
Cheers.
So good.